Hi gals, Sina here and welcome to my channel. This is going to be my first video about waist training. This video is going to be about like an introduction on waist training. So if this is something that you are interested in, if you want to know more about waist training, if you are also a beginner, if waist training is something that you kind of want to know more about, then continue watching. So yeah, waist training. What is waist training? Waist training is basically just trying to train your waist to become smaller, or to have that curve, to have that hourglass figure. And you wear garments, different types of garments, to achieve that curve, to achieve that look, that body, that sexy body. So this is something that's been done for a long time now. It's not something new, but I guess the garments, the materials that we use, that we have now, is of course different from way back then. So there are different types of garments that you can use to waist train. So there are like corsets, and then those binders, and you have workout belts, waist belts, and of course you have these types of waist trainers, the traditional ones, the regular waist trainers. Women waist train for different reasons. Me, I personally started waist training just because I wanted to lose the baby putch. You know that moms, when you just gave birth, your belly is really like you're still pregnant. Personally, that's my main reason why I wanted to waist train. But you know, women waist train for different reasons. I've researched and I've found out that waist training can also help with your back, your posture, and then you also have the reason of wanting to have a sexier body, because definitely wearing a waist cincher will help you get instantly, it will mold your body and give you that curve, or help you when you give birth and gave birth by a cesarean. Wearing a binder around your torso or under your belly will also help heal, will help in the healing process. When you work like 8 hours a day in front of a computer, or you're always sitting down, wearing a waist cincher will help with your posture. So a little background on myself, and why I started and how I started waist training. If you don't know, I own brand Curves Shapewear, and I sell body shapers, particularly the Curves waist cincher, which is one type of waist trainer. And I also have other stuff. I'll put the link in the description box of my website if you want to check out the other products. So I have been waist training for 1.5 years now, since I gave birth to my second child. Actually, it was my husband who sort of who told me about it, but he didn't know what it was back then. We were just looking for like a new business idea, and we came across this product, and this not only the product, but more of the trend, this type of program, I would say. And so I looked into it, I did my research, and I got really interested, and I got curious about it, because when I was pregnant with my second child, I noticed and I knew that I was huge. Um, I was overweight, and I knew that my second pregnancy is gonna be different, and I'm not gonna be able to lose, or I might retain most of the fat that I gained during my pregnancy. So yeah, so I was really excited to try this. I was preparing myself, my body, to try this after I gave birth, because I really wanted to, get back my pre-pregnancy body, my pre-pregnancy shape. When I gave birth, I tried it on. I tried actually a different type of shapewear before. Then I tried the waist trainer, and I just loved it. It was a product that I truly believed in, and it gave me really amazing results. I started with a size 2XL. Can you imagine a size 2XL when I gave birth, and now I'm wearing a size XS, extra small. Yeah, so I started waist training a few weeks after I gave birth. I just wanted, of course, to let my body rest first before putting something on, or before trying anything new. So I let it rest. For a few weeks, and when I knew that I was ready, I tried on the waist trainer. I actually tried a postpartum shapewear, but it's different. The purpose is sort of the same, but a postpartum shapewear doesn't have that much structure. Like with the curves waist cincher, which I have here, it has bones, 9 steel bones on all ends. So when you wear it, it's more constricting, and it really feels like it's hugging you and keeping everything inside, And it was such a great feeling, because of course after you gave birth, you just feel like everything is loose, everything is just out there. When you wear a waist cincher, it cinches everything in, and personally I felt really great wearing one. It was hard to balance everything. I have a toddler, I have a newborn. I don't know where to fit in my workout schedule. I don't know how to prepare a proper meal. So it was hard at first. And the waist cincher helped me at least feel good. I know that even though I'm not working out that much, that belly fat is being taken care of. So when I was able to have my routine, and I already adjusted with having a toddler and a newborn, that's the time that I was able to squeeze in time, like a few minutes of workout. It's still not enough, but it helped with wearing a waist cincher, with my workout, with sort of having a mindful diet. I was able to shrink that belly fat. Like my belly fat really shrunk a lot since I gave birth. The transformation is really awesome, and that's why I really believe in this product. Some tips for you to have a successful journey. Make sure, of course, to be consistent in wearing your waist trainers. Do it every day, and it doesn't even matter how long you wear it. It does, but it's more important how consistent you are in your waist training. So for me, I never miss, or I rarely miss wearing my waist trainer. I wear it as soon as I wake up in the morning. If it's your first time, you just try it on for maybe 2 hours, and then you gradually increase as your body sort of adjusts until you reach 8 to a maximum of 10 hours a day. So that's just, I mean, it doesn't have to be more than 10 hours. Actually, it doesn't even have to be more than 8 hours. 8 hours can be your maximum, but the important thing is to wear it every day. So that's what I did. I wore my waist cincher every day for a whole year, even on Sundays. Yeah. So now I'm gonna show you how to wear this. I recommend wearing this with like a cotton tank top if you're new. If your skin is a little sensitive. I don't actually wear anymore like a tank top on top because I know I'm not sensitive, like I don't get rashes. But if you are sensitive or you don't know and it's your first time, I recommend wearing a tank top first. So here, I'm gonna show you. This is an extra small. I'm already in my second row of hook. It's a little. I suggest hooking it at the bottom first, going up, because it's gonna be easier. And also, if it's your first time or you're just putting it on for the first time, it's gonna be a little difficult. You really need a lot of arm work, arm muscle. You're really gonna have arm muscle to put it on, or a friend to help you put it on if it's just your first time wearing one. Or there. So there. See, instantly gave me this curve, and there. Just hold that. There you go. So that I'm already on my second hook, and just. So yeah, I'm gonna be having more videos about waist training. I actually have a list of all like different topics for you gals. So stay tuned. Please do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell button so you get notified of my next video about waist training. I have a lot of topics, a lot of waist training topics to talk about. I'm already way behind, but I promise I'm gonna continue on recording more videos about waist training for you guys. So yeah, hit the subscribe to my channel, hit the bell button, comment down below if you wanna know a specific topic, if you wanna know something about waist training, just comment down below. I'm gonna reply to you guys. Yeah, check out my website if you want to check out the products. I actually, on my website, I already have different posts about waist training, so you can check those out. Like us on Facebook, like our Facebook page, Curves Shapewear. And if you want to join, I also have created a group for women. It's a private, closed group. I'm going to have to approve you, but it's gonna be a safe place for us women who wants to get inspired, who wants to inspire other women. It's a group where you can share your transformation, share your journey, share your success on waist training. It's curve squad. I would love to hear about your journey. I would love to hear about I would love to see your before and after photos. So it's not exclusive to women who buy curves shapewear products, but it's for everyone who are into waist training or into body positivity. So there, thanks for watching. I hope you find this video helpful, and I'll see you on my next waist training video. Bye, gals.